Welcome to my YouTube channel if it is your first time here, and welcome back to my tremendous supporters. It is your boy Chef André Davy, and I want to say a big shout out to my channel members: Ricardo Kitchen and Vlog, Tony Murphy, Michi Boo, Big Up Yourself, Cooking with Nicole, Chris Blink, and who am I forgetting? Kimberly, Chang. Hey guys, thank you so much. So today I will be making a chickpea bean salad for you guys. Okay, but firstly I will be making the dressing first, guys. Okay, so right here is my small bowl that I'll be making my dressing into. Okay guys, so right here I have some red wine vinegar. Cool. I have some powdered garlic, some black pepper, some oregano, some salt, and I'm just going to go ahead and use a whisk and combine these ingredients. And right here guys, I have some olive oil. Okay, just gonna whisk that in. And this will be the dressing for our chickpea bean salad. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put this aside. Okay, so yes guys, so for my chickpea bean salad, what I'll be using today guys, I'll be using kidney bean, black bean, and I'll be using chickpea. So I'm just gonna use a spoon and combine all these three beans. Wow, amazing. This is amazing guys. And right here I have some diced tomato, some diced green bell pepper, some diced red onion, some diced cucumber, and I'm just gonna use my spoon and combine all these ingredients. How is it looking guys? How is it looking? My goodness, this chickpea bean salad is looking amazing guys. And I'll be going in with the dressing. And I'm just gonna go ahead and incorporate all of these ingredients. Wow, This red wine vinegar is just amazing, guys. And there we go, guys. Our chi bean salad is ready. Wow, this is beautiful. And guys, you have reached to the end of another amazing video. So don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and please thumbs up the video if you enjoy, and click the post notification bell because I have a whole lot more tips and ideas to share with you guys. And thank you so much. I'll catch you in another video, guys. Goodbye.